What is Microsoft Excel primary used for? A. Word processing. B. Database management. C. Spreadsheet calculations and data analysis. D. Creating presentations. Correct answer is C. Spreadsheet calculations and data analysis. Which area in an Excel window allows entering values and formulas? A. Standard toolbar. B. Title bar. C. Formula bar. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Formula bar. Not, and, or, and XOR. A. Logical operators. B. Arithmetic operators. C. Relational operators. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Logical operators. In the formula, which symbol specifies the fixed columns or rows? A. $B, asterisk C, %D, semicolon. Correct answer is A. $. What is the extension of saved file in MS Excel? A. .xls. B. .xks. C. .zos. D. .xbs. Correct answer is A. .xls. How cells are named in MS Excel? A. Alphabetically. B. Numerically. C. Alphanumerically. D. Special characters. Correct answer is C. Alphanumerically. How rows are numbered in MS Excel? A. Alphabetically. B. Numerically. C. Alphanumerically. D. Special characters. Correct answer is B. Numerically. How columns are named in MS Excel? A. Alphabetically. B. Numerically. C. Alphanumerically. D. Special characters. Correct answer is A. Alphabetically. Which function key is used to open Go to dialog box in MS Excel? A. F1B, F5C, F7D, F11. Correct answer is B. F5. Microsoft Excel was first time launched in. By the Microsoft Corporation. A. 1985. B. 1991. C. 1995. D. 1998. Correct answer is A. 1985. Which bar lies top of the window in Excel screen? A. Status bar. B. Ruler. C. Title bar. D. Scroll bar. Correct answer is C. Title bar. Formula in Excel start with A. Hashtag B, %C, equals D, plus. Correct answer is C, equals. Excel displays the current cell address in the A. Status bar. B. Name box. C. Formula bar. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Name box. What is the shortcut key to insert current date in a cell? A. Control plus semicolon. B. Control plus T. C. Control plus D. D. Control plus single quote. Correct answer is A. Control plus semicolon. To remove the content of selected cells, you must issue dash command. A. Delete. B. Clear contents. C. Clear all. D. Clear delete. Correct answer is B. Clear contents. MS Excel provides the default value for step in fill series dialog box. A. 0B, 1C, 5D, 10. Correct answer is B1. Which language is used to create macros in Excel? A. Visual Basic. B. C language. C. Visual C++. D. Java. Correct answer is A. Visual Basic. A typical worksheet has dash number of columns. A. 128. B. 256. C. 1024. D. 16384. Correct answer is D. 16384. How many characters can be typed in a single cell in Excel? A. 256. B. 1024. C. 32,767. D. 65535. Correct answer is D. 65535. A worksheet can have a maximum of dash number of rows. A. 256. B. 1024. C. 65,535. D. 1048576. Correct answer is D. 1048576. Long text can be broken down into many lines within a cell. You can do this through A. Justify. B. Wrap text. C. Conditional formatting. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Wrap text. How do you rearrange the data in ascending or descending order? A. Data, sort. B. Data, form. C. Data, table. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Data, sort. Worksheet is also called an array of dash. A. Column. B. Cell. C. Box. D. Formula. Correct answer is B. Cells. What command is used to close the window of Excel? A. Alt plus F. 4B, Control plus W. C. Control plus R. D. Control plus C. Correct answer is A. Alt plus F4. Which tab is used to include pivot table, charts, hyperlinks to a spreadsheet? A. Insert tab. B. Page layout tab. C. Data tab. D. Review tab. Correct answer is A. Insert tab. Which tab in Excel is used when importing querying, outlining, and subtotaling the data placed into worksheet's data list. A. Formula tab. B. Data tab. C. Review tab. D. Insert tab. Correct answer is B. Data tab. Which tab is used for proofing, protecting, and marking up a spreadsheet? A. Formula tab. B. Data tab. C. Review tab. D. View tab. Correct answer is C. Review tab. Which tab in MS Office is best for organizing data and making list? A. Access. B. Excel. C. PowerPoint. D. Word. Correct answer is B. Excel. Which tab is used to change the display of worksheet area and the data it contains? A. Page Layout tab. B. Data tab. C. Review tab. D. View tab. Correct answer is D. View tab. What is the shortcut key to hide entire column? A. Control plus H. B. Control plus 0. C. Control plus hyphen. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Control plus 0. What is the purpose of tab key in MS Excel? A. Move cell pointer to previous column. B. Move cell pointer to next column. C. Move cell pointer to previous row. D. Move cell pointer to next row. Correct answer is B. Move cell pointer to next column. What is the purpose of enter key in MS Excel? A. Move cell pointer to previous column. B. Move cell pointer to next column. C. Move cell pointer to previous row. D. Move cell pointer to next row. Correct answer is D. Move cell pointer to next row. What is a range in MS Excel? A. A set of rows and columns. B. A single cell. C. A collection of contiguous cells. D. The maximum value in a set of data. Correct answer is C. A collection of contiguous cells. Which of the following is not a term of MS Excel? A. Cells. B. Rows. C. Columns. D. Document. Correct answer is D. Document. In a worksheet, you can select A. The entire worksheet. B. Rows. C. Columns. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Without using the mouse or the arrow keys, what is the fastest way of getting to cell A1 in a spreadsheet? A. Press Ctrl plus Home. B. Press Home. C. Press Shift plus Home. D. Press Alt plus Home. Correct answer is A. Press Ctrl plus Home. In MS Excel, two common wildcard characters that MS Excel recognizes are A. Asterisk and question mark. B. Less than and greater than. C. Caret and slash. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Asterisk and question mark. Dash is the best alternative to MS Excel offered by Google Inc. A. Google Slides. B. Google Sheets. C. Google Files. D. Google Keep. Correct answer is B. Google Sheets. Free online version of MS Excel is known as Dash. A. Office for the web. B. Excel Mobile. C. Word Mobile. D. Excel for the web. Correct answer is D. Excel for web. What Excel feature automatically fills in values when you drag the handle? A. Auto Sum. B. Auto Fill. C. Quick Fill. D. Drag Fill. Correct answer is B. Auto Fill. The software which contains rows and columns is called A. Spreadsheet. B. Word processing. C. Database. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Spreadsheet. Which of the following option is not located in the page setup dialog box? A. Page break preview. B. Page orientation. C. Margins. D. Headers and footers. Correct answer is A. Page break preview. What are the basic rectangular building blocks of a spreadsheet? A. Cells. B. Zoom slider. C. Help button. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Cells. What is the shortcut key to delete columns in Excel? A. Control plus H plus D plus C. B. Alt plus H plus D plus C. C. Shift plus H plus D plus C. D. Shift plus Control plus H plus D plus C. Correct answer is B. Alt plus H plus D plus C. Which of the following is an absolute cell reference? A. 1 B, $A$1, C, hashtag A, hashtag 1, D, A1. Correct answer is B, $A$1. Hyperlinks can be A. Text. B. Drawing objects. C. Pictures. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. You can use the horizontal and vertically scroll bar to A. Split a worksheet into two panes. B. View different rows and columns. Edit the contents of a cell. C. Edit the contents of a cell. D. View different worksheets. Correct answer is B. View different rows and column. Edit the contents of a cell. Getting data from a cell located in a different sheet is called A. Referencing. B. Accessing. C. Functioning. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Referencing. Which function is used to calculate depreciation, rates of return, future values, and loan payment amounts? A. Financial. B. Statistical. C. Logical. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Financial. To create a formula, you can use A. Value and cell references. B. Value but not cell references. C. Cell references but not values. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Value and cell references. MS Excel is based on dash. A. Windows. B. DOS. C. Unix. D. OS. Correct answer is A. Windows. Multiple calculations can be made in a single formula using dash. A. Standard formula. B. Array formula. C. Complex formula. D. Smart formula. Correct answer is B. Array formula. Comments can be added to cells using A. Home and comments. B. Insert and comments. C. Data and comments. D. View and comments. Correct answer is B. Insert and comments. You can copy data or formulas. A. With the copy, paste and cut commands on the edit menu. B. With commands on the shortcut menu. C. With buttons on the standard toolbar. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. To hold row and columns titles in place so that they do not scroll when you scroll a worksheet, click the A. Unfreeze panes command on the window menu. B. Freeze panes command on the window menu. C. Hold titles command on the edit menu. D. Split command on the window menu. Correct answer is B. Freeze panes command on the window menu. Which of the following method cannot be used to edit the contents of a cell? A. Press the Alt key. B. Clicking the formula bar. C. Pressing the F2 key. D. Double-clicking the cell. Correct answer is A. Press the Alt key. To save a worksheet, you A. Click the Save button on the standard toolbar from the menu. B. Press Ctrl plus F5. C. Click Save on the window Start button. D. Select Edit and Save. Correct answer is A. Click the Save button on the standard toolbar from the menu. Which shortcut key is used to create a new worksheet in Excel? A. Ctrl plus N. B. Ctrl plus O. C. Ctrl plus S. D. Ctrl plus P. Correct answer is A. Ctrl plus N. Dash appear at the bottom of the Excel window. A. Title bar. B. Formula bar. C. Worksheet tabs. D. Name box. Correct answer is C. Worksheet tabs. Which term is used to join the selected cells into one cell? A. Filter. B. Wrap. C. Pivot. D. Merge. Correct answer is D. Merge. Columns in MS Excel are named in the form of dash. A. Alphabets. B. Numbers. C. Roman numbers. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Alphabets. Rows in MS Excel are named in the form of dash. A. Alphabets. B. Numbers. C. Roman numbers. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Numbers. What is a pivot table used for in Excel? A. Sorting data. B. Organizing and summarizing large amounts of data. C. Merging two tables. D. Changing the font style of a table. Correct answer is B. Organizing and summarizing large amounts of data. Which of the following series type is not valid for fill series dialog box? A. Linear. B. Gross. C. Autofill. D. Time. Correct answer is D. Time. Formatting a cell in currency, you can specify A. Decimal places. B. Currency symbol. C. Both of above. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Both of above. Which of the following chart types is used to display trends over time? A. Line chart. B. Bar chart. C. Pie chart. D. Scatter chart. Correct answer is A. Line chart. What is the shortcut key to select cells in a worksheet in Excel? A. Ctrl plus A. B. Ctrl plus S. C. Ctrl plus Shift plus A. D. Ctrl plus Alt plus A. Correct answer is A. Ctrl plus A. What is the shortcut key to open the Format Cells dialog box in Excel? A. Ctrl plus 1. B. Ctrl plus 2. C. Ctrl plus 3. D. Ctrl plus 4. Correct answer is A. Ctrl plus 1. Which of the following chart types is used to compare values side by side? A. Line chart. B. Bar chart. C. Scatter chart. D. Pie chart. Correct answer is B. Bar chart. In Excel, all macro keyboard shortcuts include the dash key. A. Alt. B. Control. C. F11. D. Shift. Correct answer is A. Alt. MS Excel file cannot be directly exported as dash. A. PDF. B. TXT. C. PPT. D. CSV. Correct answer is C. PPT. In MS Excel, page border option is available under Dash tab. A. Insert. B. Page layout. C. View. D. None of the above. Correct answer is D. None of the above. Dash can be used as a keyboard shortcut key to check spelling in MS Excel. A. F1. B. F7. C. F2. D. F12. Correct answer is B. F7. Which key is used for help in MS Excel? A. Window plus H. B. F1. C. F10. D. F2. Correct answer is B. F1. Open workbooks can easily be switched using dash. A. Control plus S, B, Alt plus S, C, Control plus Alt D, Control plus Tab. Correct answer is D, Control plus Tab. What is the purpose of conditional formatting in Excel? A. To change the format of the text. B. To format a cell based on its value. C. To protect cells. D. To highlight duplicate values. Correct answer is B. To format a cell based on its value. Which feature in Excel is used to quickly analyze data and provide different viewing options? A. Quick analysis. B. Data analysis. C. Pivot table. D. Solver. Correct answer is A. Quick analysis. The default alignment of numbering data in MS-Excel is A. Left. B. Right. C. Center. D. Justify. Correct answer is B. Right. The default alignment of texts in MS-Excel is A. Left. B. Right. C. Center. D. Justify. Correct answer is A. Left. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? A. Number. B. Character. C. Label. D. Date. Time. Correct answer is B. Character. The first cell is Excel worksheet is labeled as A, AA, B, A1, C, AA, D, A0. Correct answer is B. A1. What is the shortcut key to show or hide ribbon in MS-Excel? A. Shift plus F1, B, Control plus F1, C, Shift plus F2, D, Control plus F3. Correct answer is B. Control plus F1. How many sheets are there in Excel workbook by default? A. 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Correct answer is C3. Which chart can be created in Excel? A. Pie chart. B. Line chart. C. Area chart. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Which key is used to make multiple line in a single cell? A. Alt plus Enter. B. Tab plus Enter. C. Control plus Enter. D. Shift plus Enter. Correct answer is A. Alt plus Enter. Minimum zoom size in MS-Excel is A. 5%. B. 10%. C. 20%. D. 30%. Correct answer is B. 10%. Maximum zoom size in MS-Excel is A. 50%. B. 100%. C. 200%. D. 400%. Correct answer is D. 400%. Default font size in Excel is A. 11 point. B. 12 point. C. 14 point. D. 15 point. Correct answer is A. 11 point. Where we find the word art option in MS-Excel 2010? A. Insert tab. B. Home tab. C. Page layout tab. D. Data tab. Correct answer is A. Insert tab. In MS-Excel dash shortcut key is used for hiding rows. A. Control plus H. B. Control plus 7. C. Control plus 9. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Control plus 9. In a computer spreadsheet, block of cells is called A. Workbook. B. Function. C. Column. D. Range. Correct answer is D. Range. In MS-Excel, conditional formatting is in dash tab. A. Home. B. View. C. Page layout. D. Insert. Correct answer is A. Home. In MS-Excel, ready-made templates are available under dashes tab. A. File. B. Insert. C. Design. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. File. The greater than sign is an example of dash operation. A. Arithmetic. B. Logical. C. Conditional. D. Greater. Correct answer is B. Logical. Which function displays row data into column or column data into row? A. Hyperlinks. B. Index. C. Transpose. D. Rows. Correct answer is C. Transpose. Shortcut key Control plus D is used to A. Open font dialog box. B. Fill down in the selection. C. Open format cells dialog box. D. Shift current cell's value in the right cell. Correct answer is B. Fill down in the selection. In MS-Excel dash feature makes it easier to add repetitive data to a worksheet. A. AutoSum. B. Sort. C. Filter. D. Autocomplete. Correct answer is D. Autocomplete. What is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink in Excel? A. Control plus K. B. Alt plus K. C. Shift plus K. D. Control plus Shift plus K. Correct answer is A. Control plus K. Which of the following chart types is used to show the distribution of data? A. Line chart. B. Bar chart. C. Histogram chart. D. Scatter chart. Correct answer is C. Histogram chart. What is a cell in Excel? A. A collection of data. B. The intersection of a row and a column. C. A formula. D. A chart element. Correct answer is B. The intersection of a row and column.